Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to analyze the market. So before placing any trade, analyze the market is most important. So you have to analyze the market well and then you can trade. So in here there is a level. So this is the level you can see, and this is the uptrend here. And if you observe, market is creating higher highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs and higher lows market is creating. But if you observe, market is reversing from this trend line, right? Market is reversing from this trend line. We are seeing momentum from this trend line. But if you observe here, market here got support momentum, again got support momentum, again got market support, again momentum. But here market didn't happen, market broke this level. So how you come to know that market is going to break this level or market is going to be respect? If you observe here, market is here creating higher heights and higher lows, and but here after getting support, market is unable to create new highs, right? Instead of making higher high, market reverse middle of this trend, right? So market is didn't create new high, that's why market is broke that level. So many traders will place here a higher option after seeing this red inverted hammer candle, but it's wrong. It will break this level because it reverts middle of this market and there is no new high. And this is also, you can say, this is also a type of head and shoulder pattern. That's why market break this level easily. So you can see, after breakout of this level, market again retest this level, right? Here you can see market broke that level, again market got from here this support, and market created a new trend, right? A momentum, a strong sellers momentum. So this is how you come to know that market is going to be break or market will respect the level, right? Here this is a clear market from this level, market got support and momentum, support momentum, support. Here also a minor momentum, but here didn't, because it reversed middle of this trend. There is a no new high, because of this it break this level easily. So this is how you can analyze the market. So market analysis is very important to before you placing any trade. So before placing any trade or anything, you have to analyze this chart pattern very well. So this is about this video.